Do you get traffic but almost no results? Then you're not alone, because it is sometimes hard to get traffic to your website or your landing page. But in this video, I'm going to build a simple landing page that anyone can copy and turn clicks into action, and you don't need any coding at all. So even if you have never built a page before, you can do this. And by the end, you will have a ready to copy framework you can use today. So I hope you're ready, because we're about to do this. Okay, let's start here. Before we go into building this landing page, I just want to let you know what the difference is from a home page to a landing page. And this image here, it explains it very well. You can see a home page. The purpose of a homepage is that it allows visitors to complete a variety of goals, and there are multiple options that they can do on a homepage, and there are also multiple call to actions for different offers. And the content is informational, as you can see right here. So if we go to the landing page, the purpose of this is to accomplish a specific goal. And the navigation, when we come to this, then it is few options. Users are less likely to navigate off the page. And if we take the call to action, then it's a single offer with either one or multiple call to actions, and the content is focused on conversions, so that you will get leads into your ecosystem and you can start emailing your email list. So that is what the difference from a homepage to a landing page is. But let's go up here. And in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a landing page, and you can make your own landing page when you're done with this video here. And what is the tool I use? Well, I will explain that in the end of this video, but I can say so much. As you can see here, it's totally free, and no credit card is required at all, ever. And there's no catch, it's just free, but for now it's free. So you have to act quickly if you want this free offer here. But let's get started here with to make this landing page. So you can see here, I've already made the landing page, and this one here is a web shop, a landing page for a web shop, and this is actually a template that I have used to make this web page here, the landing page, and it is very, very easy to do. And I think it looks awesome. It is very, very easy to do. So, but now we want to replicate this site here, this landing page here. So we'll go over here and go into the software that I'm using, and as you can see, it's groove.cm. I also have a link in the description. But let's get started here. We can either access the Groove pages right here to make a landing page, or we can go up here and then click on here, Groove pages. So we'll just click on this one here. And as you can see, we already have this, the one that I've made before. But we're gonna make a new site so that we can replicate the one that I've made. So we'll just go up here and we'll click on single pages, so we get the landing pages. And then we'll scroll down. Let's see here where it is. 1 second. Here it is. So it says here apparel printing landing page. So this is the one that we're gonna create from scratch. So, and we'll use this one here as a reference, so we can go back and forth and make this website here. So let's just select this one here and click on import full template, and then we'll give it a name, and let's say web shop. I've already named the other web shop page for web shop. So let's say web shop 1. So, and start building. So now it's just, now it's ready here. Right now, as you can see here, the difference here, that this is the blue fonts, and this is the red fonts. So we have to make some changes to this website here. You can also see these images are stock footage, and if you scroll down on this one here, Then I have some other footage here. So 1 second here, we'll just scroll up. And if we scroll down, we can see this one here. I have deleted this one here on my page that I already made. I also deleted this one here and this one. And this one here we also got on the first page, the first landing page, and we got this one here as well. We have also made some changes to the buttons. You can see here that those are red here and red. You can see the difference here. This is blue buttons, and then when you hover it, it turns into red buttons, and up here as well. So let's get started here. First, we'll let's just start with the button right here. Okay, so you see now when we hover it, it's red, and when we don't hover it, it's a transparent white background. Over here in our page, the number 1 page, it's blue when we don't hover, and it's red when we hover. So we want to change this one here as well. So we'll go in and click here on states, and then we can choose hover or active. So first we'll click on active, and then we'll click here and go into this one here, the background color. And then we'll choose this blue here. This is, in my case, it's the blue one. You can choose whatever color you want. And you can also go into the hex colors and change whatever you need to do. So we'll click here on this one. 1 second. Oh, 1 second. So there it was. So I have to take the transparency and go up here to 100%. And then we'll click on the text. First close this one down and right here. So now we'll click on the text right here. So you see now it's blue, but we want the text to be white. When we don't, so not hover, active. And then want the text to be white. So we'll click here and click right here. So now when we don't hover it, it looks like the one that we have right here. So when we hover it, then we have to go back here and click on hover, and then go back and then click on the button again. And then we want it to be 1 second, hover. So, and we want it to be red. 1 second, we need to go back to this color here. First we have to take the color code. 1 second, I'll just take this color code here. There you go, and then click on this one here. No, not that one. We need to take this one and then copy this color code here, and then go back. And then we can paste it in right here. There you go. So now it's red when we hover it. So let's see here. No, it's not red, of course. It's we need it to be. Sorry, I'm messing around with it. We need it to be blue when it's not hovering. So we'll do that and click on what was it? Go back here. So, and take this one here. And paste it in right here. So now we got it. Now it's the same. It's the same thing on both pages. It's blue, and then hover, it's red. It's blue and hover and red. So now I will do that to all the buttons right here, down here, here from this one here, and to this one, and also this one here. This one, it will be a little bit transparent when I'm done making making it into a blue button. So all buttons, I'll just really quickly change the colors. Yeah, then I'll get back to you so we can continue this journey on this page here. 1 second. Okay, let's continue now. Now I've made all the buttons into blue buttons and stuff. So you can see we already made this one, and this one here is the same. But you can see this one here, it is a little bit transparent when we don't hover it. And to make the change, you actually just have to click here on the button, and then you need to click here, and then we'll just pull this one up here a little bit. And now you can see the transparency is 26, but if I turn it all the way up to 100, then it's not transparent. So you decide where to put the transparency, but I have just put it to 26. Let me just edit this, 26. Yeah, so that is how you make a transparent button. And now let's see here. This text here is black, and this is also black. This one is black. Let's see here. This is blue. So we'll just go over here, and then we'll also make this one here blue. So right now it's gray, so we'll click here on the text, and then we'll just pull this up here, and then we want it to be the same blue as the other one. So now you can see the text is blue. So let's see down here, 1 second, scroll down. So now you can see this text here is blue and this one is red. The same goes for those texts right here. So let's go back here and change this one here from red to blue, and from gray, this one from gray to red. If we can see here, 1 second. Take this one here, so it's red, yes, and make these ones as well. We also want to make those blue, and this one as well, blue, and the last one here, blue. So there you go. And the button here is also blue and red when we hover it. What about this text here? Let's see. I've deleted this text on this page, on the first page. So I'll delete this one as well, just by clicking there and then confirm. And then go back here, let's see. No, sorry. It's the same. So we'll just do this. No, not that. So there you go. And then we'll change it from this one here should be changed to blue as well. To blue. And then we have deleted some of the text here. So it only says, instead of this here, then we'll only say simple three-step process. And this one will be blue, this one will be red. Yep. And let's go back here. We have I don't have any button right here, so we'll delete this button as well. Delete that, and then the same text here is blue and red. So I'll change this really quickly. I'll change all these colors here from the different from one color to another color very quickly, so you don't have to see me do all these things here. So I'll be back in a few seconds. Okay, so now I've changed all the colors on the text. So you can see here the headlines, they are blue and the sub-headlines are red. So I've done that all the places. And then I have also changed, let's see here, I've changed so that our custom prints, this section is above the pick your technology. I've also done that. If you want to remove, or if you want to move some different sections, then you can just click on the section, and then on the blog, as it's also called. Then you can click either on the down arrow or on the upwards arrow. So we can do that right now. So now it is right here, and we can change it again, put it up here. So that is actually how you can change those kind of things right now. And so now they actually look pretty much alike. This is the main page that this is the page we are replicating from. And I've also changed this one here. I've changed this image here. So you can see here, let me just show you here. If you want to change an image, you can see over here I've changed the images, so there are other images from this one here. But what you do, you just click on the gear icon here, and then you can delete this one here, and then you can choose another one. I've uploaded these images a while ago, but you can just upload your own images and then put in the images on the landing page. So let me take this one as an example and then select here, and then you can also put an image, alt attribute. And if you want something, if there can also be a link to this image here, so that you can, for example, if people they click on the image, then they can go to a certain page, or they can go to, for example, an external link if you have that. Also a blog post, maybe a pop-up and stuff. But for now, in this tutorial, I just want to make an image without a link, because it is just to showcase the clothing, you see. So we'll click here on update and close. So now we have our own image, and then we can of course adjust the images. We can click here on spacer, and then we can adjust. So here, right now, we can also just drag it over here if we want to. And so maybe so right here, do the same. We can do the same with this one here. We can also 1 second, I'm gonna adjust this one as well. So you can do whatever you want with these pictures here, move it around, change the size and everything, you see. But let's go back here and see what we have here. Yeah, then we'll see. Yeah, we got the same one here. And then we got the section about customers love their prints. We got that as well here. And I've changed the numbers so that they match right here. But you can go in and change the numbers. You can go in and, for example, say 20K, or you can go in and say 43, maybe let's say maybe 512 new equipment bought. Yeah. And then this is you can delete everything here. Also, you can also put in links to, like I said before, with the image. Let's say that you, for example, have a terms of service. Then let's say that you have a legal page on your website. Then you can, for example, go in here and click on the gear icon, and then you can link to an external URL if you have that, or it can also be a page on this groove.cm. But you can, for example, take an external URL, and then you can choose to open it in a new tab, for example, and you just paste in the URL right here. But so I'll not do that right now because I don't have a terms of service page right now. But yeah, you can change the logo here in the bottom as well. And yeah, we actually got it done right now. The same, of course, we need to change the images. I haven't done that, but I just want to show you how to do that. Yeah, you don't only have to remove blocks or elements from the page. You can also add blocks and elements. For example, if you want to add a section between this one here and this one here, then you can just click here and then click on the plus sign, so you can add a block, as it says. So you can go in here, and then we got different types here: designer, modern, wireframe, blah blah blah. And you see that there are many different things you can do with the blocks. You can just put them in, and then you can edit the blocks also. So if there's something you don't like, let's say that you want this one here to put that in. When you put it in, we can just click here, and then, for example, if you only want to have 2 of those boxes, then it's just doing the same thing as the other ones. You just delete it and confirm, and now we got 2 boxes. You can also, let's say, if we want a new box, right here. You can do modern wireframe, like I said. You can also have different categories. You can, for example, let's say modern. Then we have a category that's about testimonials. We can also have a blog post. We have newsletter guarantee, for example. That is 100% guarantee for the first 30 days or your money back. We have call to actions we can put in. We got it all, or they got it all, this platform here. It is really amazing what they can do. But let me tell you about the tool. In the beginning of this video, I said that the tool is free, and it is really, it is true that it is free, but it's only for a limited time. So if you go up here, then you can see run your entire business free for life. Create your lead pages, create email marketing, and no credit card is required ever. No catch, it's just free. So you see, it is free, and the time of the recording here of this video, I don't know how much time it will be free for life anymore. But you gotta act fast if you want it free for life. We can just scroll down here and see some of the things they can do here. They have groove pages, like I have told you about. That is the module that we use to make this new landing page here on. And you can also make groove funnels. Instead of using ClickFunnels, which is very expensive each month, I believe it's the big package for ClickFunnels is around $297 if I'm correct. And you get groove funnels for free. You can do everything with groove funnels that you also do with ClickFunnels, and it's free. Yeah, at least for now it's free, but so act fast, really. I got the link in the description, so just click the link and take a look around on this website and see if it's something for you. And hey, it's free. If it's not for you, then it's not for you, and you haven't lost any dollars. So yeah, but you can also, they have Groove Sell. You can sell unlimited products, and you can add upsells and downsells and order bumps. And we also, they also got Groove Mail, so you can actually handle all your email marketing inside of this platform as well. They have Groove Affiliate, so that you can run your own affiliate programs. If you, for example, have let's say an online course, and you want to sell that, but you also want some affiliates to sell that, then you have the ability to set up your own affiliate program, so that the people can sell your online course for on their own, and then they will get a commission. So that is also really awesome that you can get that. And it says, like I said, it replaces all of these tools. The Groove.cm replaces Kartra, ClickFunnels, Go High Level. Groove Pages replaces Kartra, Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress. Groove Funnels is replacing ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, Go High Level, and you can see all of these things here that they actually replaces. This platform replaces. And it's free for life again. Save for over $14,000 a year compared to other platforms, and no required credit card at all. So it's amazing. Again, do yourself the favor to click the link below in this description of this video, because you'll do a big favor for yourself, because you'll save a lot of money. And you will also be able to do the same things that you, for example, can do with ClickFunnels. It's a no-brainer, if you ask me, and I'm so happy to use it. I only have good things to say about Groove.cm. But again, I repeat, click the link below in this in the description. And this is actually the end of this video, so I just want to thank you so much for taking the time to look around in this tutorial. I hope you learned a thing or two. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one.